Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on quiet mode on
Let's
Instagram.
begin.
So here we are in Instagram, and the first thing that we need to do to turn on our quiet mode is tap on the bottom right of our screen for your profile, and from here you want to tap on the top right, the three horizontal bars, and then tap on settings and privacy. And from here you want to tap on notifications. And when you go here into notifications, you can see the quiet mode options, so you can tap on it. And you want to make sure that this is enabled right here. So what this would do is that Instagram would mute notifications during quiet mode. Your status and auto reply will be updated to quiet mode during the time that you choose. So you can also choose the time right here, and your friends or your chats can see this, that you're in quiet mode, so that you won't be disturbed. And you can also go for pause all right here, so that you can pause all Instagram notifications. So you can also enable this, and you can select the hour that you choose right here. So for example, mine would be 8 hours. And just like that, you have successfully turned on your quiet mode in Instagram. And remember, if you are not seeing any of this, then the best thing that you can do is to make sure that your Instagram is updated. So you want to go into your app store and make sure it's updated. And that's
If you
basically
found
it
this
for
video
today.
helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.